Can one stroller take you from newborn to toddler without becoming a bulky burden along the way?
We're trying out the Evenflo Pivot Travel System in case you aren't able to.
Starting with what you'll love about it. So something that I really loved about the stroller is that it was really versatile. And so you can have it as a stroller seat, but you also need a bassinet sometimes. So then you can just convert it into a bassinet. You go like this, right? And it goes flat. There's a little clip you have to undo at the top and at the bottom so that it goes all the way down and then you get the full bassinet. To reverse the seat, you press these two little buttons on the side. And so you're just gonna flip it. So what's really cool about the car seat is that one, it comes with the system, so you don't have to buy one separately. And then two, it's really easy to remove from the base. You just press this back button here and it's reversible. So you can put it in like this, facing forward or facing back. So I found the stroller to be really easy to fold. You just press these little gray buttons on the side. It's very lightweight, super easy to use. To unlock, you have this little gray button on the side, press it, and you're back.
Always having our hands full, that'd be nice to be able to unfold and fold so quickly like that.
So one of the downsides of it, when I was putting it into my car, it's a little bit long. I was kind of struggling to finagle it into the trunk. So the stroller basket comes in really clutch. When you're grocery shopping, you can just throw in the diaper bag, then you just fill all your groceries at the bottom. You don't have to get a separate cart. So two things that I really loved, the snack tray, because you just put a whole bunch of snacks in there. The cup holder too is really nice. It's not common that you get a cup holder that's also stays when you fold the stroller.
The snack tray is awesome because most strollers that I've seen don't come with those. You need to buy them separately, and so to have that and also be able to fold with it is really nice and convenient because it's less things to put in the diaper bag.
So I found that the stroller had a smooth ride if the surface was smooth. It feels really great, it's lightweight, but sometimes when you're getting into uneven terrain, it feels a little wobbly. A lot of the reviews say that the wheels are a little bit squeaky, and I did experience that, not all the time, but I did find that once I started using it more and more, you could hear the wheels as they're moving. I did find that if I hit a large bump in the road, the maneuverability over it was a little bit more difficult.
I feel like even with their small cracks in the road that any other stroller that we've tried would get over with no problem, this one would struggle from time to time.
I actually thought the handling on the stroller was really good, and you can kind of move around things. It's a little bit more on the compact side, so you can fit it through smaller spaces. So something about this stroller that I'd also like to point out is that it has two separate brakes. So you have to remember when you're locking it to hit the brake on the right and the left side. It has a foamy type handle, pretty comfortable. It's not super cushiony, but
it's nothing special. It gets the job done.
It's really nice when it's a hot day. You can go and give them the shade. The flap is Velcro, so it does stay, but you get really good coverage, so you can really see baby. I found the reclining feature to be very nice. One button up and down. The adjustable footrest, you can kind of put it down and his feet can dangle, or you can bring it up and it gives them a little bit more support. So the 5-point harness was a little bit of a learning adjustment. You only have to press one button for it to all unlatch together. That's nice and easy, but you have to adjust these straps behind his head in the beginning. Now let's talk about the included infant car seat. Overall though, the car seat was very comfortable. It's a very lightweight car seat. The handle comes in nice. There's only these two little buttons on the side to push it back. Another feature that this has is an anti-rebound bar. It just gives you a little bit more peace of mind, and it is FAA approved, so you can travel with it on airplanes. It can be installed with the base or without the base. So in the case that you are traveling, you don't have to bring the base with you. And finally, for value and affordability, this travel system is mid-range in price. It's a very versatile stroller that you can really use from birth all the way up through toddler stage. Have it be a bassinet, then change it to a stroller seat. And it has the car seat, the stroller. It has a really convenient, nice snack tray, and has a lot of storage space. And if you're looking for an all-in-one, this is also a great option. Do you have more questions about the Evenflo Pivot Travel System?
Is there any other baby gear you'd like to see us try? Let us know in the comments below.
Thanks for watching Babylist Tries It, where we try baby gear in case you aren't able to.